Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under Amazing Math Tricks, I will show you how to add two large numbers very quickly, very easily and within few seconds. So let's see how to do this. Hello friends, today under this Amazing Math Tricks, I will show you how to quickly add two large numbers so that we can do it very quickly, easily and within seconds. This will help us while attending any of the exams, whether it may be a competitive exam or it may be a school exam. So let's see how quickly we can add two numbers. Let's say our two numbers are 615 615 plus 280. So our first step is what I will do, just I will round up this one to the nearest 100. So that means what I will do, just I will take out minus 15 from here. And similarly I will round up this to the nearest 100. That means I want to round up this to 300. So I will just add 20. In the second step we got 600 because we took out 15, and here we got 300 because we added 20. Now if we add these two things, we are getting 900. Okay. In the third step, if we take this 2, the resultant is plus 5. That means we altogether added 5. So what I am going to do in this step, I am going to remove that 5. 900 minus 5, which is nothing but 895. This is our answer, guys. Don't you feel that this is easy? 895. So 615 plus 280 is nothing but 895. How quickly we are able to find out this answer. Now let us move ahead and take one or two examples again to see what we can do quickly. Now let us take two more big numbers and see how this trick works. Okay. Now here let us take two numbers 1189 plus 2583. Okay. Now what I will do, I will round up this one in my first step to the nearest 100. That means I will just add 11 here, so that my number will become 1200. Okay. And here I will add 17 here, so that plus 17, so that my number will become 2600. Okay. Now if I add these two, I am getting 1200 plus 2600 is nothing but 3800. Now in my final step, I will remove or subtract depending upon the case what I have added or subtracted overall. Now 3800 is this result. Now the overall result you will see will come to plus 28. That means I have added this much. So I will remove here 28. So 100 minus 28 is nothing but 72. That means my answer is 3772. So guys, don't you feel that this is easy and very quickly we are able to find out the answer of this? Now guys, let us take one more example and then we can wrap it up. So this time let us take the addition of two numbers, and let us pick up two numbers as 593 and 889. Okay. So I want to add 593 plus 889. Let's see what result we are getting. Now this 593 we can easily make it to 600. Just I will add plus 7, so that this one will become 600. Now here 889, just I will add plus 11, so that this one will become 900. Okay. Now what I will do, this 900 plus 600 is nothing but 1500. Now I will take this 1500 and I will see what exactly the overall things that I have added or subtracted. Now if I take the consideration of these two things, plus 7 and plus 11, I am getting plus 18. So just I will remove this plus 18 because I have added this plus 18 in order to round this one to the nearest 100. So quickly I will remove this one, and very well we know like 100 minus 18 is nothing but 82. So my answer will be 482. Guys, don't you feel that this method is very easy? This is our answer, 1482. Hope guys you like this method. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.